Nick Naylor says, what was your reaction to the trolls in the Zoom hearing? You can see my reaction. There was someone who told me to kill myself, and I kind of just went, what do you do? I was mostly laughing because, so I was the first hearing at the arraignment, I believe. And they're like, okay, we're going to clear all the rooms and bring them in. And I started seeing a bunch of fat, ugly people, like with their cameras on, like panned into the, like this number. Like I saw a bunch of those like weirdos. Believe me, if you've been to, there are places you can go to see these people, but you start seeing a bunch of them and you go, oh no, the court has no idea. The jail has no idea. Like they don't know what's about to happen. And I had no idea, like I was in jail, right? I don't have access to the internet. Like, is old school, whatever. So I have no idea, like, who knows anything. But once I start seeing those weirdos fucking pop up, bloop, 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 and the judge is like, why are these chimes going all the time? And I'm like, oh, sir, those chimes are going to go for a while. Maybe the court admin could, like, turn off the notification sound or something, but nah, let's just let it go. And I start seeing a fucking billion people popping in. I was like, okay. And then when someone came on, they, like, had a giant, like, they had a dildo on the screen, just like, I was like, that was kind of funny. And then someone comes on and drops the N-word a couple times. And that's when it was that one, the Nick Rekieta, kill yourself. That didn't stop anybody. But the court's like, someone's like, N-word, N-word, N-word. And the court's like, whoa, we got to stop this. And I was like, wait a minute. Like, why do they get special treatment? They're not even here. That was rude. But, I mean, once I realized that the news is out there, people have found out about it and they're in the arraignment hearing. It's like, what do? You just sit here and laugh because the court has no idea what they're in for. The jail staff are like, we usually see a decent amount of people in these things. I'm like, oh, you usually do? There's like 9 pages of extra names on Zoom. You have no fucking idea what's going on. That's cool.